Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to redeem a Google Play gift card code. On your computer, open a browser, go to play.google.com/redeem and sign in with your Google account where you want the balance added. Enter the gift card code carefully, including dashes if they appear, then click redeem. Once confirmed, the funds will instantly be added to your Google Play balance, and you can spend it on apps, games, movies, books, or even subscriptions like YouTube Premium. Keep in mind that gift cards are region locked, so they only work in the country they were purchased in. And if you'd rather do it on your phone, you can also redeem codes directly inside the Google Play Store app. It works the same way. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.